Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's January the 1st, 2022. We're going to talk about AMC stock today. We're going to talk about whether or not the hedge funds are caught, whether or not the short interest is 40.25%, and try to speak to you all about how all of that is noise. We really need to focus in on the price. And I wanted to talk about that today to kind of show you that maybe this whole ape movement, this GME, AMC type movement that's going on, they might actually be getting played. Yeah, they might actually be getting played. And from this community, from this channel, I don't want us to be getting played. So in order for us to not get played, we need to just focus in on the price and price only. Everyone else gets so hung up on, okay, what's the latest short interest? Are we ever going to get a moass? What about the NFTs for Adam Aaron to do to try to spruce up the business? Maybe we could buy some more AMC theaters to try to bring more business and make more money. It's all confusing. And they continually come in on YouTube, try to give you their persuasion, their opinions, and try to justify that the market is going to go up. But as you see, look at the price. Price is not deceiving you at all. It is everything else that is deceiving you. All these people on these social media platforms continue to push this narrative, but the price is doing something opposite. You only want to pay attention to the price. This is why I say money talks and noise walks. I don't care what anybody else is trying to say, because if it doesn't line up with what the price is doing, then I know what they're saying is not accurate. It's not true. The price is the truth, and it will always be the truth. No one else's opinion even matters. No one. So you got to learn how to pay attention to the price. This is what I've been pushing on this channel since I got started on YouTube. I want everyone to understand. Peel back the onion. Don't pay attention to all that noise. Look at what they actually do with the money, right? Look at it. So let's talk about this real quick, because I know you all may have heard, who follow AMC all the time, saw that TD Ameritrade reports 40.25 AMC short interest. Look at this. It's plastered all on their internet. So they're trying to come in and create this justification that yes, we might actually get this moass, this mother of all short squeeze, to happen in AMC. They are reporting 40.25% short interest. It has to be true, right? See, this is what I'm saying, that this AMC 8 movement is getting played. They understand that you guys are grappling at whatever narrative you all can push at the particular type of moment. If they took away the buy button to restrict our ability to buy a stock, what do you think they won't do to try to continue to keep this going on, to play in their favor? This is the most worrisome thing that I'm seeing in this 8 movement, is that they may be getting played. You don't think that TD Ameritrade and all these other brokers platforms have the ability to alter their information to try to show you what may not be true, what may be true? Who in the world can you believe? Exactly. But look at this. You have all these links coming to websites pushing this narrative of how the TD Ameritrade short interest is at 40.25% and everyone else is all up in arms, feeling positive, feeling negative, feeling that they're still getting gypped on the information that is being displayed. If you're not controlling the narrative, you're being played. And this AMC 8 movement is seemingly like they're getting played. Look at this. Why AMC stock investors are up in arms over? Because you don't understand what the market actually is doing. The only way that you can understand what the price is trying to tell us is this, the chart. But for some reason, people don't want to believe price, right? They always want to come back and see what is being pushed. What is the narrative for today, to try to figure out, okay, yeah, maybe we can still see a moass. Look at this. They're lying to us again. They took away the buy button and now they're reporting 40.25%. It has been confirmed. So we're going to have a squeeze, right? There's no doubts in my mind that if they could take away the buy button, that they could do whatever else they want to do, right? So why are you believing all the information that these so-called hedge funds, trading platforms, brokerage firms, why are you believing the information that they are dropping? The only thing that you can believe is what they do in the markets, right? So whether they're a hedge fund, whether they're a brokerage platform, you cannot hide whenever they come in and buy or sell. You cannot hide that. Everyone who is involved in AMC have their consensus on this chart right now. Yes, whether you're Ken Griffin, whether you're Citadel, whether you're a different type of hedge fund, whether you're just a regular old retail investor, your idea is already on this chart. Yeah, what you think the direction is going to go for AMC's price is already here. So I have no need to continue to click on every one of these links to try to figure out, okay, yeah, what? Well, oh wow, they are showing 40.25% short interest. Yeah, okay. But if that's the case, we should be able to see the short squeeze on the chart already, just like we did back in the beginning of this year. Now, I did a video in AMC on the 23rd of December, right? I was playing the strength into the market. Yes, I am. And I was telling you all that we needed to see the buyers break $32 to the upside, right? Look at this. Look. Now the question, did it happen? Right? Has the market in AMC broken $32 to the upside? I really want to become bullish into the market until I see that happen, because it lets me know that the buyers are controlling the market, that the consensus has changed, right? So far that hasn't happened. So yeah, I'm still leaning to the market going down in AMC now because the buyers are not showing up. If the interest was truly there into the market, the price will be going up, but it hasn't happened after December 23rd. So I wanted to show you all how we ended for the year, because I wanted to show you that this is the price in AMC over the last 12 months. Look at this. Okay. So yes, this was a short squeeze year. I mean, I'm not going to deny it at all. The price in AMC started at $2.20, right? Look at this. $2.20. We started out 2021. We saw the market top out all the way up here to 3,000. Well, it topped out at $72.62. That's 3,267% run in 1 year. But yet and still, you still see these individuals pushing this narrative that the market in AMC is still going to do a moass, right? Which it can. I mean, I'm not going to be an outlier, but it seems unlikely, especially once they have displayed their hands that they took away the buy button. If they took away the buy button, they're going to do it again. There's no question that they will do anything else nefarious out here to make sure that they continue to stay in a winning position. Why do you think that they're going to continue to play fair? They took away the buy button. So for you to think that you're going to get a moass, that they control these markets, it kind of makes you wonder that who's pushing this. So let me show you all the 6-month time frame in the market in AMC. Look at this. So the last 6 months, we came back down in price. And the biggest reason why I see the market in AMC as weak is because we could not stay above $36. This is where the market needed to prop up. This is where the buyers need to come in and hold the market, but they didn't do it. So all of these AMC apes who continually come in and tweet and leave comments and that they're buying the dips, they continue to buy the dips, they couldn't hold the price at 36. The market broke it to the downside. This is the reason why I am still kind of weak into the market in AMC. Yeah, because we could not keep price above $36. Okay. Now, let's see the month of December. This is the month of December. And I want you all to understand that, yeah, we're still in a downtrend into the market in AMC. Nothing has changed in regards to that. The thing that we needed to see, and we have to see, is AMC holding this trend right here, which we did for the month of December. We came through and we still maintained the overall trend. So at least we know that the market is still trying to pursue higher prices based off that alone, because the market came down and touched that overall trend. All right, so that is still on the table. So even though we have noticed the price in AMC hold this trend, that is still great. That is still fine. But for us to see this, all right, let me show you. For us to see this market in AMC still show rejection on a weekly time frame, right? Look at this. The price is the truth. The price is still getting rejected at $32. I don't like that. when I see the market showing me more weakness, I need to take note of it and say, all right, cool. The AMC apes must not be buying the market, because if so, price would have came, we would have capitalized on the increase and upward movement in AMC. We would have broken $32 to the upside, and that would have been the best outcome for me to understand that, yeah, we are looking for this price to consider to go up. But we didn't get that. We did not get that. Okay. So now, let me show you all the 3 weeks. Okay. Look at this. We're still seeing weakness into the market in AMC. Let me show you all the 2 weeks. This is still weak. For us to not see the price close at the high of this current 2 weekly price bar lets me know that the selling is still dominating this market in AMC. 5 weeks. Take a look. Now, with all of that being said, with all of that being stated, what I'm going to do, okay, is I'm going to play the weakness into the market in AMC. Now, calm down, relax, okay? Just calm down, relax. I'm not saying that we're not going to get a moass. I'm not saying that we're not going to get a short squeeze. But what I'm seeing on the chart is still weak, and you cannot change it. It is what it is. So I need to be weak into the market right now in AMC, especially look how we close on this 2-day price bar right here. Okay. Now, look at this on the 3-day. Okay. Now, even though I'm playing in weakness into the market in AMC, okay, I am not going to be massively weak, okay, because I understand that the buyers, they can still be lurking here in the background, right? They can still be here. So let me see where they are, because if I'm looking for the price to come down, I want to make sure that we grab the bag before price reverses and go back up. And I'm seeing it right here, maybe around 26, right? 26 back down to 24. Okay. Yeah. 26 to 24. Okay. That's about 4.5%. Like I said, I'm not massively weak in AMC. No, I'm not. But I believe the truth. I believe the price chart amongst anything else and everything else. I don't care about nothing else. I don't care about YouTubers. I don't care about Twitter tweets. I don't care about articles. I don't care about short interest. I care about what the money is. And the money is showing us that it's weak. So yeah, maybe around 26. That's 4.5%. And then again, we might see it come down to 24, and the buyers may prop in again at 24 and price begin a resumption to higher movement from there. Now, I'm going to take this original price prediction away. So if I were to get out the market on the close of the last trading day, which is around 5.5%, I can see that. Okay, cool. No problems about it, because the market is still directing to us weakness. All right. And I really will maintain weakness in AMC until I see this price break above 32. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. And you could go back and listen to my last video, because I will see $32 as to where the sellers will appear and even extend this downtrend. I'm not going to be bullish until those two things happen. I'm not, because it lets me know that the buyers are dominating this market in AMC to where we are now actually able to break this restriction area. We might come back down and test that 32, and then the market will break the overall downtrend. This is what we need to see. We don't need to see no tweets. We don't need to see no 40% short interest. Who cares? This is what the price needs to do in order for us to see any bullishness, any upward price movement in AMC. That is what I'm paying attention to. Okay. Now, I'm not telling you all to pay attention to it. You have your own particular methods, your own particular strategy that you focus in on. But I'm telling you from my perspective, this is the only thing that matters. So take a look. Yeah, I'm playing the weakest right now in the market in AMC right now, but I'm not massively weak. So for all of those moass, AMC apes, you guys can calm down, relax, because you guys have been very emotional for this whole year, 2021, because price has been doing nothing but coming down. And you guys been watching thousands upon thousands of videos and articles telling you that we're going to get this moass and short squeeze, when in actuality, the price is telling us something different. Okay. So listen to the charts. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Like I always say, money talks and noise walks. All right. And sooner or later, you all will see that price is the only thing that matters. And what everyone else is trying to get you to see and understand, to convince you of, it's going to be a whole lot of noise. And you don't want that into your repertoire as you continue to come in and trade these markets. All right. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.